Now I want each and individual element to be printed in the array. If I print A, entire array is printed, but I want individual elements. I am taking the for loop for that. For J in range, I am taking the entire length of an array. Entire length of an array is 5. So length of an array, range is a sequential data type we have already discussed. So J in 5. J in first the value of J is 0, J value next the value of J is incremented to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will check that. So I'm executing this. I'm taking some breaking point here. So we are executing it. After we are debugging. So you observe here. Initially J value is 0. When the value of J is equal to 0, the 1 is printed. And then value of J is equal to 1. Then for the index 1, the 2 value of 2 is printed. The second element in the array is printed. Now the index is 2, next value is printed. Index 3, next value is printed. Index 4, next value is printed. So this is how we can print the all elements in the array by using a range of length of A. But I feel the code is a little bit complex. We can still have the capability to reduce this. How we can reduce this? Simply I can give J in A, take the entire array A and print it. So if I execute this, you can observe all the elements in the array are printed.